Welcome to feedback on November 24, paper 3H, question 23. Remember, you should have had a go at this question. Should be figuring out. You've looked at the mark scheme and you're not quite sure how you could have got 4 marks. So this is a walkthrough of how to answer the exam question. There's bits of the maths that I just expect you to know, or you need to go and revise separately. So this is just how to answer the exam question, stuff like that. Right, tough question this. It asks you to sketch the graph of that. Sketching graph, you need to know where it's going to cross the y-axis and the turning points. So where does it cross the y-axis? Well, it crosses the y-axis when x equals 0. So when x equals 0, when x equals 0, y equals 0 squared. Take 6p times by 0 minus 7, which gives minus 7. So it crosses at 0 minus 7, and I'm just going to write that down as intercept y-axis, because if I get anything else wrong, I'm going to have some marks. Right, the turning point, to find the turning point, we complete the square. So y equals x minus 3p bracket squared, take 3p squared, take 7, so where's the turning point when this is as small as possible? Just going to make this bigger now. So we'll draw the axis. So the turning point is when x equals 3p, because that gives you 0, and y equals minus 9p squared minus 7. So if we think of the axis, which we're not going to draw, and we're just going to see it here, it's going to come down. That's the y-intercept, so that's 0 there. Then it's come up, and that's the minimum. And that is at x, well, 3p minus 9p squared minus 7. That's all you've got to do. That's all you've got to do. I think it's quite complicated doing that bit for the first time, but there we go. Let's have a go. So let's turn over. Here we are. So what is the first bit you need to do? You need to find out where x equals 0. What does that equal? When x equals 0, y equals 0 squared. Take 4 times p times 0 minus 5, so y equals minus 5. So the y-intercept is at 0 minus 5. Right, so what do we need to do to find a turning point? We need to complete the square. So y will equal completing the square. So where does it turn when correct? That equals 0. And y equals that 0. So sketch our axis. That is our y-intercept, which is 0 minus 5. That is our turning point. Which is at 2p minus 4p squared minus 5. Right, now, get on the questions, hit subscribe, and now it is great.